Guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got this lamp from Banord and it is amazing. I can't even express how much this has helped out me and my family. As an online fitness trainer, this light is perfect. I can angle it how I want and it provides extra light without it getting too hot. This is also a lazy girl's dream. All you have to do is download the app and you can turn on and off the lamp without even getting up. You can turn up the intensity, you can change the colors on the back, and the colors are really super cool. My family loves to use the green because it's very calming. If you don't have the app or don't have your phone near you, you can turn it on super easy, and then you can angle it down if you want to read or angle it out if you want to provide light for the whole room. I would highly recommend this product by Banord, and that's my point of view.